I'm Dave, and this is Austin Eats.
In this video, I'll show you how easy it is to make the granddaddy of steak, a delicious double-cut bone-in ribeye using a reverse sear. It's big, it's beefy, and it's damn good. A tomahawk is one of those steaks where the quality of meat really matters. Choice is good for a lot of cuts, but a tomahawk is not one of them. A prime ribeye is more tender than a choice ribeye, and it's worth the extra money. There's really only one way to cook a tomahawk steak because it's so darn big. That means it's time to break out the grill. For this steak, I used my Kamado Joe. Take the steak out of the refrigerator 1 hour before grilling. Brush both sides with oil and then season it with salt and pepper. Configure the grill for indirect heat at 350 degrees Fahrenheit. Insert your temperature probe, like from a fireboard, and cook to an internal temperature of 105 degrees Fahrenheit. Then remove it from the grill, tent it with aluminum foil, and let it rest for 10 minutes. Reconfigure the grill for direct high heat. After the steak has rested, sear both sides for about 2 minutes per side. Rotate it 180 degrees after a minute to get some nice grill marks. Serve it immediately. There is no need to rest it again. This cut of meat has a lot of fat and it will cause a flare-up, so watch your eyebrows. I prefer to use chunk charcoal instead of briquettes because chunk charcoal adds a hint of smoke that makes the tomahawk even more special. A kettle grill like a Weber would work if configured for direct heat on only one side of the grill. That's how easy it is to make a terrific reverse-seared bone-in ribeye. If you enjoy a good steak, this is worth trying. Hey, if you like the video, let me know and please subscribe. I'll see you next time on Austin Eats.